Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate football theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application. Then you need to click on this messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any random conversation. For example, I'm going to select my own conversation. So this one, for example, then you need to click on the person name, click on theme. From here, you need to select football. Wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that football theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.